Hi everyone, it's Anna from the Goldsboro Library, and I'm back for another week of tips for parents of really small children. So this week we are going to be partnering with Wayne UNC Healthcare on some programs, and so this one I think we're just going to talk about some health literacy, and our story time later this week is about health and wellness. And then on Friday, we have an interview with Dr. Tucker, the president of the hospital. So we're excited to be working with them this week. So today, I just wanted to give a couple of quick tips about talking to your very small children about health. So there are a lot of literacy things that you can pull in when you talk to your kids about health. So for starters, you can talk to them a lot about their different body parts, hands, feet, face, different features on your face, stomach, neck, and you can talk about bones and skin and all of that kind of thing. It not only expands their vocabulary, but helps them have the words when they need to tell you that something on them doesn't feel well. And they would also need to have the words to tell you what that feels like when they aren't feeling well. If they fell and hurt themselves, or if they just have a sick tummy or a runny nose, they would need to have words to kind of tell you what that is. So there's a lot of vocabulary there that you can share with your very small children. Another thing that you can do is kind of give them tips and teach them how to do things like washing their hands has been very important this year. So getting your very small children to understand how important it is to wash their hands properly, or how to brush their teeth, or why taking a bath is important. Those things can sometimes be a struggle, but you can use songs or rhymes to kind of get them involved in the process and to help them cooperate with you when you're trying to do things like that. So I have a really quick song that I wanted to share about washing your hands. Alright, so this is to the tune of Frere Jacques, and you talk about different parts of your hands and how to wash them and get all of your hands clean. Alright, so here we go. Tops and bottoms, in between, scrub them all together, now we're clean, squeaky clean. So you can talk about back of your hand, front of your hand, your palms, in between your fingers, your fingernails, your cuticles, your knuckles, your wrist, your thumb, your pointer, your middle finger, ring finger, pinky. There's a lot of words just having to do with your hands that you can talk to your kids about. Why is it important that we wash all of our hand and not just the end of our fingers or not just our palms? So there's a lot you can do there. Why is it important to use soap and water? Why is it important to dry your hands afterwards? These are all conversations that you can have, and that's just a really quick example. But building your vocabulary, sharing these words with your kids will not only help them in describing what they feel like, but understanding why it's important to take care of themselves so they stay healthy. All right, see y'all later.